Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I want to thank everybody for commenting on my videos. I've been crafting and that makes me feel so good. I mean, you have no idea. So I'm coming on today to share a quick little card with you all. Today's January 31st and I wanted to come on quickly because it's the last day of January and I wanted to show what I created for Snowman of January, hosted by, I think her name is Nancy, but I'll link her down below. She's doing another hashtag next month. It's called Galloween, I think. Galloween of February, I don't know. I'll link her down below. And then there's another one coming up in February from Tina Bean, who she's doing gingerbread of February. So get your gingerbreads out. Or if you like Halloween, you know, you can get those out too. I mean, Halloween, you can craft Halloween any time of the year. So I did not have a lot of snowmen stamps, and I came across this stamp set I think on Amazon or something, and I bought this because of that bear. Just for that bear. He looks so cute, and I'm gonna color him up sometime. And I was like, oh good, there's some snowmen, and she's building a snowball, and she's throwing a snowball. I was like, this set is just cute. Okay, so I bought this, and there is another set that I want, but I'm going to hold off on that. So I used my Copics to color, and here is one of the stamped images. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. But I didn't use that one. I used the other one. And I just got out my scraps, and I got a boo-boo here. Well, it's not really a boo-boo, it's just an ink blot. Got all my old stamps, and I got this stamp from Michael's that I used, and made a card, made a quick and simple card. So I am posting this, not posting this, but I am putting a hashtag on this, Snowman of January, and I just made it. It's January 31st. And I wanted to participate somehow. I did one of a snowman. Yeah, I did a couple tags for Snowman of January, and so I just think this card turned out so sweet, and I don't know, you know, I'm going to use this for any occasion that anybody needs. I can send it off to anybody. So usually I make cards for family members or friends and stuff like that. So yeah, so I just layered up my papers. I inked the edges with some antique linen distress ink, and oh, it's just adorable. I just can't get over it. So thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you tomorrow for hashtag Deck the Year. Thanks everyone. Have a great week. Bye now.